Twig's Beverage all-purpose filling line upgrade with reconfiguration and conveyor assistance by Multi-Conveyor. Multi-Conveyor worked hand in hand with a renowned family-owned bottling beverage manufacturer in Shawano, Wisconsin, to facilitate a new filling line upgrade that accommodates a myriad of bottle composition and container sizes. The modernization implements 3 powered plastic tabletop chain conveyors and 1 rotary accumulation table to complete the reconfigured filling line. With Multi-Conveyor's line layout assistance, Twig's Beverage, Incorporated, now has the capacity to fill, crown, and label plastic soda and water bottles, returnable and non-returnable glass soda bottles, and gallon plastic containers. Each unique beverage is produced as production calls using manual changeover. Ben Hartwig, Vice President, Twig's Beverage, explains.
So our old line was our returnable line that we've had since the 50s, 60s, and we've had a lot of issues with that one, always breaking down and stuff. It was hard to find parts, so now with this new line we were able to upgrade, and we've had no issues so far. We're able to get out twice as much as we usually typically do in a day, and it's just been working very smoothly for us.
In an off-site interview with Dan Hartwig, President, we asked the benefits received by partnering with Multi-Conveyor. His response? We are using bottle transfers, turntables, and a track system and chain drives. In the past, we used 1960 equipment. After discussing our vision with Multi-Conveyor, they were able to come in and lay out how it would work best. With the upgrades, we increased production considerably. The bottles transfer much more smoothly, thus less downtime and more production. In this video, we focus on glass soda bottles that are manually unloaded, placed in a single lane conveyance through a rotary bottle rinser. From there, the bottles parallel transfer onto a 90-degree side flexing plastic chain curve section that feeds the bottle filler. The filled crowned bottles discharge onto a secondary 90-degree centerline radius side flexing curve through another seamlessly smooth parallel transfer that feeds a labeler. Note, at this point, plastic bottles would be labeled in motion. Then the glass bottles continue onto a new rotary accumulation table where an operator manually hand packs the beverage into finished cases, completing the 1960s semi-automatic line equipment upgrade into the 21st century. Ben continues.
So Multi-Conveyor, what they did is they came in and actually helped us lay out our design for the bottling system. They were able to help us fit it to the room. Even if something didn't work out, they came back in and made sure it worked for us.
Multi-Conveyor engineers designed the line with built-in flexibility to specifically accommodate Twig's future expansion to include gallon filling when plastic and glass bottles are not produced. Other features of this new line include stainless steel top covers from rinser discharge to filler infeed for contamination prevention, discharge and flush mount transitions, and a stainless steel table at infeed, to name a few. Why Multi-Conveyor? We'll let Ben tell you.
The advantage of working with Multi-Conveyor is they're very easy to work with. Their communication is always very clear. As soon as we need to talk to them about anything, they're there for us, very friendly, just great customer service. We needed certain things for our line and they were able to come through for it in the end. So,
how can Multi-Conveyor help you with your next conveyor configuration? Let's find out. Learn more at www.multi-conveyor.com. Then call us at 1-800-236-7960. We look forward to working with you soon. Remember, Multi-Conveyor, your best, conveyed better. We gratefully thank the entire team at Twig's Beverage Incorporated for their assistance in the making of this video production, including but not limited to Dan and Diane Hartwig, sons Lucas, Jacob, and Ben, the entire bottling production, and office staff.